Welcome. Today we're exploring how to reject message requests on Gmail chat using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've been receiving unwanted messages, this guide will help you take charge. Let's jump right in. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features you'll need for this process. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the 9 dots located next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon represents the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu showcasing various Google services. In this menu, locate and select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface, where you can manage your conversations and message requests more easily. Now that you're in the Chats section, you'll see a list of your chats and any new message requests. Find the conversation that you want to reject and click on it to open the chat window. Once you've opened the chat, you should see a few options available. Look for the option to block the sender, usually represented by 3 vertical dots or a block button. Clicking this option will allow you to reject the message request and stop any further messages from that person. And that's it. You've successfully rejected the message request and blocked the sender on Gmail chat. This simple process helps you maintain your online space and ensures that only the messages you want to receive come through. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating your digital life. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.